Amazing testimonies.
People of God, good evening. My name is Tom Gisila from Douala. I'm here to testify the goodness of God, the things He has done in my life. It goes like this. I was not sleeping. Sometimes in my dream, I will see myself naked. I'll be sleeping with people, eating meat. Sometimes in the dream, I'll be flying, eating with dirt people. So all those things has been happening to me for the past 5 years. Have been in pains. When it happens like that, when I will get up in the morning, my waist will be paining. I will not feel uncomfortable. I will just be helpless. And everybody that is beside me, I will not be pleased with the person. I will just be angry. And no matter what I will do to the person, it will not please the person in anything. Or sometimes when I'll be walking, I'm going to lose what I'm doing. So this has really troubled me a lot. Sometimes when I eat in the dream, I'll get up physically. In the morning when I make like this, a white lump of things will come out of my mouth that will smell. I'll be having mouth odors that sometimes I used to talk to people. They say that my mouth is smelling. So this has troubled me. And finally, I've been looking for a solution. I've been watching the Liberty TV. Finally, I have to see the number. I called the number. It was on Thursday. So they gave me the program on Thursday. So when I came here, I was sitting behind there. But the man of God did not prophesy to me. Nothing happened. As I went back that night, I slept well. Nothing happened to me. At that night, I had a dream. A man came to me and was asking me, "Dad, who is taking care of you? And I was telling him that I'm in love with somebody that is taking good care of me." And he was coming closer like to kiss me. I just get up, I shout, "Jesus." And then finally again, it was on Saturday. I came here, I registered my name for the prayer line. On the prayer line, when the man of God was praying, he touched me. My body was just weak. When I went back home on Monday, I was praying in the night. As I was sleeping I slept well. Around 2 o'clock in the night, I feel like something is paining me. I get up, I was praying that how draw of things were coming out, and finally I vomited a huge part of a blood.
And since it came out of you, how do you feel now?
I feel my body when I sleep, I get up, my body is light. Everything has just left me now. I can do many things. I can eat. I'm very happy now.
And the things you used to see in the dream, the dead people you used to see, the men that used to come and sleep with you, the nightmares you had, are you still experiencing them?
No, I don't more experience them. Sometimes when they come, they'll just be angry with me. Sometimes when they come in the dream, I'll just be sitting, they'll just get up and reject me and say go, anything. Anybody I see in the dream now just reject me.
Hallelujah. Can you put your hands together for the Lord?
Est-ce que tu peux acclamer pour le Seigneur?
So she suffered with this problem for 5 years.
Elle a souffert de ce problème pendant 5 ans.
Eating in the dream.
Elle mangeait dans les rêves.
Seeing herself at times naked.
Et parfois elle se retrouvait toute nue.
Men coming and sleeping with her.
Les hommes venaient dormir avec elle.
And physically it was really affecting her because she would wake up in the morning and feel herself so weak. She at times would be unable to eat.
Et physiquement, ça se manifestait négativement dans sa vie parce que parfois, elle avait ces effets-là, elle n'arrivait pas parfois à manger.
And she also suffered rejection from men, from people around her.
Et elle souffrait du rejet des personnes qui l'entouraient.
So you can see lumps of things that she vomited.
Vous pouvez voir des boules, les substances qu'elle a ressorties d'elle par des vomissements mélangés avec du sang.
And after vomiting these things that she felt herself light.
Et après avoir vomi tout cela, elle se sentit très légère.
And all the dreams, all the nightmares, the eating in the dream, men coming to sleep with her, everything ceased.
Et tous ces cauchemars qu'elle avait, les hommes qui venaient coucher avec elle, tout a cessé.
Can you celebrate the Lord again as you give him a clap offering?
Est-ce que tu peux célébrer le Seigneur? Téléspectateurs, nous venons d'écouter le témoignage de la sœur Tom Gisela qui vient de Douala. Elle rend grâce à Dieu pour la délivrance qu'elle a obtenue du Seigneur. Elle dit qu'il y a de cela 5 ans qu'elle souffrait de problèmes de couche de nuit et elle mangeait aussi dans les rêves. Elle disait que quand elle dormait parfois dans la nuit, elle se retrouvait toute nue et des hommes qui venaient coucher avec elle. Et parfois, on la nourrissait dans les rêves et quand elle se réveillait de son rêve, physiquement, ça se manifestait. Parce que en ce moment, quand elle se réveillait le matin, elle ressentait comme quelque chose qui était en elle. Et elle vomissait, elle crachait et ça sortait une grosse salive qui avait une très mauvaise odeur, au point où les gens qui étaient avec elle lui disaient que sa bouche sentait mauvais. Alors elle a souffert du rejet des personnes qui étaient autour d'elle parce que son comportement n'était pas du tout agréable envers ces personnes-là. Et elle dit qu'elle a donc découvert le ministère international de la liberté à travers la chaîne de télé Liberty TV. Elle a appelé le numéro qui s'affiche à l'écran, c'était un jeudi. Et on l'a indiqué où se trouvait l'église. Elle est venue et elle s'était fait enregistrer également pour la ligne de prière. Elle est venue premièrement au culte, l'homme de Dieu faisait le culte, elle est rentrée, il n'avait pas prophétisé, mais ce soir elle a expérimenté un changement et quand elle est revenue, elle est passée à la ligne de prière le 7 janvier, comme vous voyez à votre écran, l'homme de Dieu a prié pour elle. Elle est rentrée et dans la nuit elle a fait un rêve, elle s'est réveillée le matin, elle a vomi une substance qui était mélangée du sang et depuis ce jour-là jusqu'à aujourd'hui, elle ne souffre plus de ses rêves, de ses cauchemars, de tout le reste. L'Éternel l'a complètement délivrée.
Now there are many people watching you throughout the world who are suffering from a similar situation. What can you say to them?
Advice to the people that are watching me, to the viewers, that please, no matter the long time, no matter what you are going through, it's because I was in and out. God did not locate me because
Okay, you were in and out.
I was worshiping God, being again in the world. But now that I decided to be in God's presence, God did it for me. So when you want to worship God with all your heart. When you want to be out, be out. Because when you are out and in, it will not do you anything. It will not save you.
Liberty TV, bringing God's presence into your home. Liberty TV, la présence de Dieu chez vous.